One. Okay. Dan Tian is three finger breath below your belly button. 3 finger breath inside. It's like an area. So that's why if you just think of a fist below your belly button, the area inside there would be good enough. The word Dan in Chinese, it means the essence or the best of the best. So the best Chinese medicine is called golden Dan. And the Taoist, this is sort of an interesting story. You know, one of the reasons people think Tai Chi is religion, Confucianism, but people think it's because it adopts the Taoist philosophy. And Taoist, in purest form, the original Taoists, they observe the nature, observe the universe. They have wonderful ideas. They have this thing called Big Bang Theory, just like Big Bang Theory. Yeah, you know the Big Bang Theory, which is now is accepted by scientists. It's like there was nothing in the universe. Bang, everything was there. The vast universe is there. And the Taoists, the ancient Taoists, think that universe starts from nothing. It's called Wu Qi. Wu Qi means absolute nothing. And then suddenly you have Tai Chi. Tai Chi means infinitive. So I don't know how the ancient Chinese got this figured out that the universe was vast. And suddenly there was, like start from vast void, total nothing, suddenly this huge universe. And from the Tai Chi, it divides into yin and yang. And when we start Tai Chi, we start with feet together or touching each other. So that is one full Tai Chi. And then you take a step, you separate into yin and yang. And throughout the Tai Chi forms, there's yin and yang. Storing energy is yin, expressing energy is yang. Yin and yang complement each other. And they're equal importance. So that is the Taoist observation of the universe, is that from vast void to infinity, and then everything in the universe is yin and yang. Among yin, there's a little bit of yang. Among yang, there's a little bit of yin in the middle. Yin and yang are totally equal. So female is yin, and you're no less than male. And among female person, you have a little bit of male hormone, and among male person, there's a little bit of feminine hormone in it as well. So go back to that. However, Taoists become kind of, someone start making money of it and become like a religion. And so they start sort of selling, I suppose, the philosophy, and then they start promising afterlife and live forever. And the Taoist monks are known to be Chinese herbal doctors, a lot of them, and they're known to be the distiller of the golden Dan. They're supposed to give people vitality, and they're supposed to fix impotence, and they do also magical things. One of the things is they distill this golden Dan that is so great and so life-saving that if you take one, and the really, really best one, you live forever. And they were so convincing that there was a whole host of emperors who actually believed in golden Dan, make them live forever. And so he made the Taoist the national religion. And he made this Taoist priest distill the golden Dan for the emperor. And he took the golden Dan and he died that night. And that's part of the history. Yeah, so I went a long way to tell you about Chinese history, but you know, in some way, you can make a wonderful Taoist philosophy into a horrible money-reaping religion. And you can make a wonderful Dan into a lethal medicine, which even killed the emperor. So Dan means essence and the best of the medicine, the best of your body. Tian is the rice paddy, where you grow rice. So Dan Tian means I guess incubator or the fertile bed of the essence of the energy. So Dan Tian is where you collect the best of your body, the qi, the energy. And it's just an area where being aware of it helps you to grow that qi. And also being aware that everything comes from Dan Tian makes sense. Whether you believe qi or not, it makes sense when you use the bigger muscle. When you coordinate your body, you're more powerful than just moving your hands. And when you coordinate your body, it stimulates the nerve, make the nerve connection better. It exercises more your body. So it makes sense when the center of the body is the commander that coordinates the rest of the movement. So in terms of Tai Chi, every bit of the energy comes from your foot, like all the other Chinese martial arts. The energy comes from your foot that gives you strength and stability that come up to your Dan Tian through the qi. And then from the Dan Tian, it reach your hands if you're expressing with your hands. And to do that, you push down either the whole foot or the ball of the foot. And you loosen your hip joint. And you contract your pelvic floor muscle. You breathe out and you push your qi down and you song, and then your qi is there. And that's how you express qi. Your Dan Tian's always part of it is the commanding part. A whole body coordination that ended with the qi on where you're going to express it. And that's why it's so strong, because it's a coordinate full body effort.